Hey guys, welcome to our presentation on topic normalization in ADBMS presented by Atharvan Rao and Vedant Lingadi. In this slide we will discuss about introduction. Normalization is a fundamental concept in database design that aims to organize data in a way that reduces redundancy and dependency. The process of normalization involves structuring a relational database in such a way that it adheres to certain rules or normal forms, which are designed to minimize data anomalies and ensure data integrity. In this slide, we will discuss about key objectives of normalization. First, reduce data redundancy. One of the primary goals of normalization is to eliminate duplicate data. Second, enhance data integrity. By enforcing relationships and constraints, it ensures that changes in one part of database do not lead to inconsistencies in another. Facilitate efficient data management. A well-normalized database is easier to manage and maintain. It allows for straightforward updates, deletions, and insertions as changes are localized to specific tables. Improve query performance. Although normalization can sometimes lead to complex queries due to the need for joins, it can also enhance performance by allowing the database to optimize data retrieval through well-defined relationships. Support scalability and maintenance. Makes it easier to modify database schemas as requirements change. Allows for better handling for large datasets. Some other key objectives of normalization. First, functional dependency, a relationship that exists when one attribute uniquely determines another attribute. For example, if you have a table of employees, the employee ID can determine the employee's name. Normal forms. Normalization is typically carried out in stages, known as normal forms. Each normal form has specific requirements that must be met. The most commonly used normal forms are: first normal form 1NF ensures that all columns contains atomic values and that each column contains value of single type. There should be no repeating groups or arrays. Second normal form 2NF achieved when a table is in 1NF and all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key. This means that non-key attributes should depend on part of composite primary key. Third normal form 3NF. A table is in 3NF if it is in 2NF and all the attributes are functionally dependent on the primary key. This eliminates transitive dependency where non-key attributes depends on another non-key attributes. Boy's code normal form BCNF, a stronger version of 3NF where every determinant is a candidate key. This addresses certain types of anomalies that 3NF does not cover. Fourth normal form 4NF deals with multi-valued dependencies, ensuring that no table contains two or more independent multi-valued data describing the same entity. Fifth normal form, also known as project join normal form. It deals with cases where information can be reconstructed from smaller pieces of information. Denormalization. In some cases, for performance reasons, a database may be denormalized, which involves intentionally introducing redundancy into a database design. This can improve read performance but may complicate data integrity and update operations. Here is some summary of normal forms. Benefits of normalization: reduce data redundancy. By organizing data into related tables, normalization minimizes duplication. Improve data integrity. Ensures that data is consistent and accurate across the database. Easier maintenance. Changes to data structure can be made more easily without affecting other parts of the database. Efficient queries. Well-structured data can lead to more efficient query execution. Challenges of normalization: complex queries. Normalized databases may require more complex joins, which can impact performance. Overhead: the process of normalization can introduce overhead in terms of additional tables and relationships, which may complicate the database design. Here are some Advantages and disadvantages of normalization. Advantages of normalization: elimination of redundancy, improved data integrity, easier maintenance, enhanced query performance, better data organization. Disadvantages of normalization: complexity, performance overhead, increased number of tables, difficulties in reporting, potential for over normalization. And last, thank you for your valuable time.